Did you know that woodworking has been an essential part of human history for thousands of years? From crafting tools to building structures, the art of working with wood has stood the test of time. In this exploration of the timeless art of woodworking, I am thrilled to share these invaluable tips and tricks. Whether you are experienced or just starting out, these tips will help you achieve cleaner cuts, smoother finishes, and overall better result. So grab your tools, let's dive in and make your woodworking projects truly stand out. I'm John from Drilling Nerd and welcome to a tutorial that's all about making your woodworking projects truly extraordinary. In the first woodworking tip, we embark on the journey of making rounded wooden sticks. Begin with a straight piece of wood, ensuring it lacks any bends or twists. Measure and mark the desired length using a ruler or measuring tape. Now, the trick lies in rounding it out. Utilize a sander for optimal results, or if unavailable, employ sandpaper to diligently smooth and round the marked section. Aim for an even and polished appearance from all angles for that professional touch. Moving on to our second tip, we delve into the art of applying glue on a wooden surface. It all starts with selecting the right glue specifically formulated for wood, readily available at your local hardware store. The key is to spread the glue evenly across the wood surface using brush or piece of cardboard. Once the glue is meticulously applied, press the glued surface together, ensuring a snug fit. To secure the bond, use clamps to hold the pieces tightly in the place while the glue sets. Tip number 3 introduces us to intricacies of joining wooden frame borders. Begin by cutting the ends of your wood pieces at 45-degree angle, allowing them to fit together seamlessly like a picture frame. Apply glue to cut ends and press the pieces together, forming a right angle. To ensure a secure bond, enlist the help of clamps holding the frame's borders in place until the glue solidifies. As we progress to tip 4, we explore the fascinating realm of creating screw nail-free wooden joints. The magic here lies in fitting the pieces together like a puzzle, employing notches or shapes that interlock without the need for additional hardware. Before committing to glue, it's essential to test the fit thoroughly. Once satisfied, apply glue to the prepared joints, press the pieces together and secure them with clamps while the glue cures. Our fifth tip takes us into the realm of crafting wooden swivel hinge pins. Begin by selecting our sturdy wood type, crucial for parts that require movement such as doors or lids. Shape the chosen wood to act as a functional hinge or swivel point, ensuring smooth and unhindered movement for your project. Tip 6. The art of hiding screws under wood introduces a technique to enhance the visual appeal of your projects. Start by sinking the screws slightly deeper than the wood surface, creating a seamless finish. Fill the resulting holes with a wood filter and, once dry, meticulously sand the surface until it achieves a polished and smooth appearance. Tip number 7 invites you to embark on a practical DIY project. Crafting your own drill bit holder. Gather your materials including a piece of wood, a saw, sandpaper and a drill. Cut the wood to your desired size, drill holes to accommodate your drill bits, and finish by sanding the edges for that professional touch. Finally, we conclude with tip 8, focusing on comfort and functionality of your tools. Select the appropriate sandpaper with a medium grit, neither too rough nor too smooth. Through a diligent sanding process, make your tool handles comfortable in your hand, ensuring an improved grip and ease of use during your woodworking endeavors. Remember, each step contributes to refining your woodworking skills, so take your time and enjoy the journey. Remember, practice these tricks to make your woodworking better. If you liked these tips, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more cool woodworking ideas.